another Granada Houses video. We're here in the small town of Cassin to show you this really super village house. It's very traditional, it's end of terrace. It sits on a plot of 280 square metres and has lots of possibilities as well as lots of original features. So we walk into a main hallway, tiled in the Andalusian style, and then on the left here we have a sitting room with an absolutely wonderful floor. Just gorgeous floor. And a very traditional cupboard. All of the doors seem to be originals, which is also a really nice touch. There's lots of space here and lots of possibilities. On the other side of the hallway we have another